Picking the right niche is one of the toughest and most important choices you'll face as a new agency owner. It's the difference between growing fast or getting stuck and eventually giving up. Because no matter how much effort you put in, if you're trying to sell the wrong service to the wrong market, you're setting yourself up to fail. Success starts with choosing the right opportunity. And I hope you've already watched our video about the blue ocean strategy, because this is the next step. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the right industry in digital marketing, avoid the mistakes that keep most agencies stuck, and find high-paying clients who actually need your services. And by the end, you'll know how much money you need to start, the exact tools to use for each industry, and a unique service that can make you stand out from other agencies. Let's dive in. Step 1. Why choosing the right industry is critical. Think of digital marketing like fishing. If you throw your net out into an overcrowded area, you'll struggle to catch anything. But if you find an untouched spot with plenty of fish, you'll have an endless supply. That's what picking an industry does. It eliminates unnecessary competition and helps you become the go-to expert in a specific area. Here's what makes a good industry. Number 1, high revenue potential. The businesses you target should be making at least $20,000 per month so they can afford your services. Number 2, high profit margins. Businesses with profit margins of 20 to 40% can invest in marketing without hesitation. Number 3, large market size. The field should have at least 15,000 businesses so you don't run out of potential clients. Not too saturated. If an industry has some competition, that's a good sign. But if there are too many agencies fighting over the same clients, you'll struggle to stand out. The best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start an agency in most of these niches. Some require zero upfront investment, while others may need a few $100s for tools and software. Now, let's break down the most profitable industries in 2025 and exactly how to get started in each. Step 2, the most profitable digital marketing industries in 2025. Number 1, loyalty programs. The hidden goldmine for digital agencies. Most agencies focus on getting new customers for businesses, but what about keeping them? That's where Boomerang Me comes in. We offer ready-to-use, a white-label digital loyalty programs that agencies can sell to their clients. Businesses keep more customers, and agencies get an extra revenue stream. Your best clients here? Restaurants and coffee shops, retail stores, salons, fitness studios, and other local businesses. You can easily make money on loyalty programs by setting them up and charging clients a monthly fee for program management. The best part? You get started for free and experience all the benefits today. This is the real blue ocean niche. Very few agencies are offering this, making it an easy way to stand out and increase your agency's revenue. So check out our website, link in the description. Number 2, social media marketing. SMM, the gold rush of digital marketing. Social media is where people spend hours every day, and businesses know they need to be there. The problem? Most business owners have no idea what to post, how to grow their following, or how to run ads effectively. That's where you come in. Don't skip this part. I know SMM is a competitive niche, but that doesn't mean there's no opportunity. The key is specialization. Instead of trying to be a general social media manager, focus on a specific industry or service. For example, instead of I do social media for all businesses, say I help real estate agents get 10 plus qualified leads per month using Instagram ads. And instead of managing any type of content, specialize in short form video creation for TikTok and Reels, where demand is exploding. This way, you differentiate yourself from generalists and position yourself as an expert in a high demand sub niche. And the best clients for you are e-commerce brands, local businesses like restaurants, salons and gyms, and personal brands and coaches. You can start with zero or invest about $500 for essential tools like Canva for graphics and content creation, Meta Business Suite for managing Facebook and Instagram, TikTok Ads Manager for running ads, and Social Pilot for scheduling posts. Number 3, SEO, the key to free long-term traffic. SEO is what gets businesses to the top of Google searches. If someone Googles best dentist in New York, the business that appears first gets the most calls, clients, and revenue. Honestly, SEO is also a competitive niche, but here is the same key. Don't compete head-on with big agencies. Specialize in a specific industry or a less competitive aspect of SEO. For example, instead of offering general SEO, specialize in Google My Business optimization for local businesses, which is much less competitive but extremely valuable. And instead of doing SEO for big companies, work with small service-based businesses like plumbers, electricians, or realtors, where competition is lower, but demand is huge. You can help them by optimizing websites to rank higher on Google, or writing SEO-friendly blog content, and your clients will pay you monthly for SEO, since rankings take time to improve. This means consistent, recurring revenue for your agency. But at the start, you should invest from $100 to $1,000 for SEO tools. The best of them you can find is in another video on our channel. Must-have digital marketing tools in 2025. Check it out. Number 4, paid ads, PPC. The fastest way to get clients results. SEO takes months, but paid ads get businesses leads instantly. That's why agencies that run Facebook, Google, and TikTok ads charge high fees, because they directly make businesses money. But here's the catch. PPC is competitive, and running ads isn't enough. If you want to succeed in this niche, you need to position yourself as an expert in a specific type of ad campaign. For example, offer conversion rate optimization and landing page design as part of your service. Most PPP specialists focus only on ads, so offering this makes you stand out. Best clients in this niche are also e-commerce brands, local businesses, coaches, and online courses. It costs from $500 to $1,500 for training and ad spend. And essential tools here: Google Ads for search and YouTube ads, Facebook Ads Manager for Instagram and Facebook ads, TikTok Ads Manager for younger audiences. By the way, do you want to land more clients without wasting money on ads? Join our free 3-day workshop and learn how to use AI to scale your agency fast. Reserve your spot now. Link in the description. Number 5, AI-driven marketing and email marketing. The hottest opportunities right now. 2 of the biggest high-demand opportunities in digital marketing right now are AI-driven marketing and email marketing. AI is changing the game, allowing agencies to automate content creation, run smarter ad campaigns, and build chatbots that handle customer service 24/7. Businesses are looking for ways to integrate AI, but most don't know where to start. That's where you can step in and offer AI-powered solutions that save them time and money. And then there's email marketing, the highest ROI channel in digital marketing, bringing in an average of $42 for every $1 spent. While most businesses focus on social media, email drives more sales and generates higher conversions than any other platform. If you can write emails that convert, businesses will pay you thousands a month just to manage their campaigns. If you want to dive deeper into how to build a digital agency around AI or email marketing, we've already covered those topics in detail on the channel. So check those videos out next. Step 3, how to monetize your industry and get your first paying clients. Choosing an industry is just the starting point. What really matters is how you turn that industry into income. A lot of agency owners pick one, set up a website, and then nothing happens. No leads, no clients, no money. Let's fix that. Here's how to monetize your niche and start landing paying clients fast. Number 1, create a simple offer. A niche alone won't make you money. You need to package it into a clear offer that solves a problem. Instead of saying, I do social media marketing, say, I help real estate agents get 10 plus qualified leads per month using Instagram ads. The more specific and outcome-driven your offer is, the easier it is to sell. Number 2, build a mini portfolio. If you don't have paying clients yet, create sample projects to show what you can do. Offer one free case study to a local business in exchange for results you can showcase. Number 3, start outreach and get clients without ads. You don't need a website or fancy branding to land your first clients. Here's where to start: Facebook groups and LinkedIn. To finding business owners in your niche, offer free audits or insights, and start conversations. Cold email and direct messages. To sending personalized messages, offering a solution to their specific problem. Then content marketing, for sharing valuable tips on LinkedIn, TikTok, or YouTube to attract inbound leads. Number 4, price your services right. If you charge per project like a freelancer, you'll always be chasing the next client, making it hard to grow. But if you charge a monthly fee like an agency, you create recurring revenue, which gives you stability. The best approach? Start small. Offer a package from $500 to $1,000 per month. Focus on getting great results, and as demand for your services grows, that's how you scale your agency the right way. Number 5, automate and scale your business. Use AI tools and automation software to handle repetitive tasks. Systemize your workflows so you spend less time on client management and more on growing your agency. Once you have consistent revenue, hire team members or expand your service offerings. So now you know exactly how to pick the right industry, how to package your offer, how to attract your first paying clients without ads, and how to scale your agency the smart way. If you still have any questions or need help figuring out your next step, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what niche you're considering and help you move forward. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe for more strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.